Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus Pandas. We'll explore their core functionalities and help you decide which tool best suits your data analysis needs. Excel is widely known for its user-friendly interface, making it accessible for quick data tasks and visualizations. Pandas, on the other hand, offers robust programming capabilities for handling much larger datasets and automating complex operations. We'll dive into specific scenarios where each tool truly shines, giving you a clear understanding of their strengths. Excel truly excels when you need to quickly organize and visualize smaller datasets. Its familiar grid layout makes data entry straightforward, and you can perform calculations with hundreds of built-in functions. For instance, creating a simple bar chart or calculating averages across a few hundred rows takes just a few clicks. It's perfect for ad hoc analysis, budgeting, and presenting data to non-technical audiences, offering immediate visual feedback without any coding. Pandas shines when you're dealing with massive datasets or require intricate data manipulation. Imagine processing millions of rows, merging multiple files, or performing complex statistical analyses. Pandas handles these tasks with remarkable speed and efficiency. Its programmatic nature allows for reproducible workflows and easy automation, saving countless hours on repetitive tasks. Plus, it integrates beautifully with Python's vast ecosystem for machine learning and advanced data science. So, which one is better? It's not about one being universally superior, but rather choosing the right tool for the job. If you're working with a few thousand rows and need quick insights, Excel is your go-to. For datasets stretching into hundreds of thousands or millions of rows, or when you need to automate complex cleaning and analysis, Pandas is the clear winner. Often, professionals use both, starting with Excel for initial exploration and then moving to Pandas for deeper, more robust analysis.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.